Riwruog mar gavanas mapacho ka koro oyiero gavana ma Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi kaka jakom margi tok thuolo mar anwa igolo rumo. Bende giyiero gavanas ma koro biro chung' ne komiti mopogore opogore, lemo ma bende koro gibiro mako kuom thuolo mar higa achiel mabiro. Abdullahi osingo ni oikore mar rakore gi midhiero ma osebedo ka thiro mokalo telo mag loch gwenge e Thurka.
County, congratulations, my brother. His Excellency Mohammed, finding leadership to the Council of Governors in the next 12 months. The Council's elections are undertaken through consensus, and they unanimously agreed on the leadership that will steer the Council for the next 1 year as follows. Executive leadership. Chairperson is Excellency FCPA Ahmed Abdullahi, EGH, Governor Wajir County. The Vice Chairperson is Excellency Mutahi Kahiga, EGH, Governor Nyeri County.
I am committed to fostering an environment where every governor's voice is heard and valued. Together, we can advocate for improved service delivery and strengthen our intergovernmental relations. It is our duty to ensure that devolution remains a cornerstone of our governance structure, delivering tangible benefits to our communities.
Uchaguzi umekuwa through consensus bila kutilia msimamo wa vyama, kwa sababu Council of Governors hatutilii maanani mambo ya vyama, mambo ya coalitions, mambo ya regions. Ya hatutilii maanani ni consensus, na pia kutilia maanani sana experience na ukakamavu